Hello and welcome to a new episode of KNIPEX Workshop TV. My name is Marius Schneider and I'm one of 5 product managers here in Wuppertal, Germany. Among other things, I am responsible for the development of our Pliers Wrench family, and today I would like to introduce you to the newest model of this success story. As the interface between our technical and our commercial departments, it is my job to keep your interests as user of our tools in mind when we develop new products. Our Pliers Wrench product family is an excellent example of how we develop tools which make your everyday work easier. As early as 1994, we launched the first Pliers wrench on the market with an overall tool length of 250 millimeters. The combination of the parallel guided jaws, the toggle joint and the push button made our Pliers wrench an universally applicable tool. Typical examples of applications of our KNIPEX Pliers wrench are various jobs on bolted connections. Due to the fine adjustment with push button, our KNIPEX Pliers wrench replaces different sets of open-end wrenches and spanners, both metric and imperial. Another advantage, which is noticeable in the handling of our KNIPEX Pliers wrench, is the ratchet principle, which allows fast tightening and untightening of screws. The parallel gripping jaws grip the workpiece without any play and create an optimum form fit. This is the only way to ensure a loss-free torque transmission without damaging the surface of the workpiece. The tensile and compressive forces at the work point are perfectly balanced when our Pliers wrench is applied from this side when tightening and from the other side when untightening bolts. Our KNIPEX Pliers wrench is indispensable for working on delicate surfaces such as chrome-plated fittings found in plumbing and automotive industries. It has also excelled as a mobile vise for holding, bending and processing various materials. Over the years we have continued to develop our line of Pliers wrenches, keeping them fit for working environments where tasks can change on a daily basis. Today we offer 19 Pliers wrench versions in 6 lengths. Depending on whether you as a user want to increase the strength of your arm with our tool versions of 400 and 300 millimeters, the strength of your hand with the length 250 and 180 millimeter, or the strength of your fingers with the lengths 150 and 125 millimeters, KNIPEX always offers the perfect tool for your application. Different versions in the handles, the surfaces and the head shape complete the program. With our Pliers Wrench XL in a length of 400 mm, you can process nuts and connections up to a width of 3 3/8 inch with only one tool. This is an 85 mm maximum opening width. And a product group with such an enormous variety of products and so many different applications can only be found with us at KNIPEX. Beside all the innovative advantages that each version of our KNIPEX Pliers wrench offers, the push-button adjustment has been the connecting link of the product family. This is exactly where we started with the next step of development, because extremely large application areas are one thing, extremely confined areas are another. Nowadays, installation spaces are becoming more and more complex and compact due to rapid technological developments. We at KNIPEX see a clear trend in which you, as a user, need even more compact tools to solve the new tasks. In tight installation spaces, it is often just a matter of increasing the force of your fingertips to such an extent that the material can be gripped safely. Whether the workpiece is slippery, bulky, sharp-edged, hot or cold does not matter at all, because this is exactly the field of application for the new KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS. At first glance, you immediately recognize the family membership. The parallel gripping jaws and the toggle joint are clear identifying features of the KNIPEX Pliers wrench. The youngest member of the product family can also make full use of the familiar advantages of this product design. Unlike its bigger brothers, however, it is noticeable that the KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS no longer has a push button. The clear advantage of this feature is the one-handed operation, which is excellent for working in very confined spaces. We have already introduced this functional principle with our Cobra XS and have received a lot of positive feedback from our customers. Just like our Cobra XS, our new Pliers Wrench XS has an overall length of only 100 mm and the handles are embossed in a classic design. Together, these two pliers make up our new Pliers set XS, which we offer in a specially designed new belt pouch. The weight of our new KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS is only 70 grams, and with 10 adjustment positions, we cover a maximum width across flats of 21 mm. With its compact dimensions, the new KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS is the tool of choice for tasks in particularly narrow working spaces. At KNIPEX, we understand those to be areas which can only be reached by your hand. Without push button, the overall design of our new KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS is significantly slimmer. This carries over to the slim jaw geometry. Comparing our new KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS with our 125 mm version, the differences of the new tool become clearly visible. The new joint design has a width of only 10 mm, and this design offers an extremely good accessibility. As a result of this design, the new KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS can grip and reach workpieces in confined areas much better. Conclusion: the new KNIPEX Pliers Wrench XS is the perfect answer to confined installation situations only accessible with your hands. Together with the new belt pouch and the KNIPEX Cobra XS, there is now a daily companion you will enjoy taking on new challenges with.